Today's topic is evolution and natural selection. How do species change and diverge over time? Let's explore how small variations, survival challenges, and natural processes shape the incredible diversity of life on Earth. Who is Charles Darwin? He was an English naturalist who studied variations in plants, animals, and even fossils. What did Darwin notice? In September 1835, he visited the Galapagos Islands, a chain of islands in the eastern Pacific Ocean. There, he made detailed notes and observations on plants and animals. What did Darwin notice among the animal specimens? Among his best-known animal specimens are the finches. He observed different types of finches, with each island hosting a distinct species. These species exhibit varying beak sizes and shapes, which are adaptations to their respective primary food sources. For instance, the green warbler finch has a sharp, slender beak used for feeding on small insects, whereas the large ground finch has a short, stocky beak used to crack seeds and nuts. Think about this. Darwin also observed variations in the characteristics of tortoises in the Galapagos. One group of giant tortoises has longer necks than those on other islands. They also have shells that rise in the front like a saddle. How do these characteristics give them an advantage over their shorter-necked counterparts? Think about this! Those tortoises with long necks and saddle-like features in their shells find it easier to lift their heads high to reach more leaves. This resolves disputes over limited food resources. What is natural selection? Every species contains variation, and individuals best adapted to the environment survive. They are also more likely to survive long enough to reproduce successfully, passing their successful genes on to the next generation. Evolution is defined as the changes within species over time. It happens slowly and continuously due to natural selection. However, larger-scale changes can be forced by extreme events such as earthquakes, a new predator, a new disease, or a physical separation, such as a mountain rising up or a landmass breaking apart. Consider the evolution of the horse. Over the past 65 million years, the equine family has undergone a series of changes that have taken them from having 3 or 4 functional toes to developing a single hoof. As significant weather changes occurred, single-hoofed horses, stronger and more efficient legs allowed them to explore wider territories and access food. Horses with a single hoof survive today. Another classic example is the peppered moth. Peppered moths are known for their light gray color with black spots, helping them blend in with tree trunks covered in lichen. Then, in the 19th century, industrialization and coal fires caused pollution. Black peppered moths thrived in urban areas as they blended in better with soot-covered tree trunks, making them less visible to predators. This gave them a survival and reproductive advantage, increasing their population compared to the lighter-colored moths. Later, in the mid-20th century, controls were introduced to reduce air pollution. Tree trunks became cleaner and lichen growth increased. This encouraged the resurgence of the population of lighter-colored peppered moths. Let's do a learning check-in. Does evolution occur only in animals? Name one example of evolution by natural selection in other organisms. Then, discuss your answers with a partner. Here is a sample answer. Evolution and natural selection also apply to plants. Some species of clover, for example, developed a mutation that caused poison cyanide to form in their cells. This makes them taste bitter, making them less likely to be eaten. However, the cyanide can kill the plant when temperatures drop below freezing. Thus, cyanide-producing clovers are more favored in warm climates. To summarize the key concepts, variation, small differences between individuals of a species. Natural selection, those best adapted to the environment are more likely to survive. Evolution, changes in the species that happen over time.